Hi, my name is Pamela, and for the 10th and final part of my campfire cooking, I'm going to be showing you how to make some apple pie cinnamon rolls. First, you're going to spray your baking pan. Now open one can of cinnamon rolls dough. Cut them into 4 cinnamon rolls. And cut the cinnamon rolls into 4 pieces. Repeat this step. Now place the cinnamon roll pieces into a greased baking pan. Now add some of the apple pie filling on top of the cinnamon roll pieces. And lightly sprinkle some ground cinnamon on top of the apple pie cinnamon rolls. Now add some aluminum foil on top of the cinnamon rolls. Now place the apple pie cinnamon rolls covered onto the grill and let them cook for 23 minutes. And now serve the apple pie cinnamon rolls onto a plate. And drizzle them with some vanilla glaze. Now here's the final presentation of the apple pie cinnamon rolls. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.